pedestrian starts to cross the street after the "don't walk" signal begins to flash. The pedestrian is in the middle of the street when your signal light changes to green. You should A. Proceed if you have the right of way. B. Wait until the pedestrian crosses the street before proceeding. C. Carefully drive around the pedestrian. Correct answer, B. Wait until the pedestrian crosses the street before proceeding. When driving in traffic at night on a dimly lit street, you should A. Drive slowly enough so you can stop within the area lighted by your headlights. B. Turn on your high beam headlights to better see the vehicles ahead of you. C. Keep your instrument panel lights bright to be more visible to other drivers. Correct answer A. Drive slowly enough so you can stop within the area lighted by your headlights. When passing another vehicle, it is safe to return to your lane if you A. Cannot see the vehicle directly to your right. B. See the vehicle's headlights in your rearview mirror. C. Have passed the other vehicle's front bumper. Correct answer B. See the vehicle's headlights in your rearview mirror. You are driving on the freeway and notice another driver using a handheld cell phone. What is the best thing to do? A. Honk your horn and wave to the driver to stop using the phone. B. Increase your following distance. C. Get closer to the vehicle so the driver can see you. Correct answer B. Increase your following distance. When parking your vehicle parallel to the curb on a level street, A. Your front wheels must be turned toward the street. B. Your wheels must be within 18 inches of the curb. C. One of your rear wheels must touch the curb. Correct answer B. Your wheels must be within 18 inches of the curb. When you see a flashing yellow traffic signal at an intersection, you should A. Stop before entering the intersection. B. Slow down and cross the intersection carefully. C. Proceed through the intersection without slowing. Correct answer B. Slow down and cross the intersection carefully. When making a right turn from a highway with 2 lanes in your direction, you may turn from A. The lane nearest the curb or edge of the roadway. B. Either lane depending on oncoming traffic. C. The left lane if the other lanes are occupied. Correct answer A. The lane nearest the curb or edge of the roadway. When driving at night on a dimly lit street, you should A. Drive slowly enough so you can stop within the area illuminated by your headlights. B. Turn on your high beams to better see the road ahead. C. Drive as you would during the day. Correct answer A. Drive slowly enough so you can stop within the area illuminated by your headlights. When parking downhill on a 2-way street, your front wheels should be A. Turn to the left toward the street. B. Turn to the right away from the street. C. Turn to the right toward the curb. Correct answer C. Turn to the right toward the curb. You're driving in the far right lane of a multi-lane freeway. A line of 5 cars is merging into your lane ahead from an on-ramp. You should A. Maintain your speed and position. B. Slow down to let the other vehicles merge. C. Speed up to pass the merging vehicles. Correct answer B. Slow down to let the other vehicles merge. You are approaching an intersection. The traffic signal light is flashing red. What should you do? A. Slow down and proceed with caution. B. Stop before entering, then proceed when safe. C. Proceed as if the light is green. Correct answer B. Stop before entering, then proceed when safe. Which of these vehicles must always stop before crossing railroad tracks? A. Motorcycles. B. Tank trucks marked with hazardous materials placards. C. Vehicles pulling trailers. Correct answer, B. Tank trucks marked with hazardous materials placards. If you are involved in a traffic collision, you are required to complete and submit a written report, SR1, to the DMV. A. Only if you are at fault. B. If there is property damage of $750 or more, or if there are any injuries. C. Only if you or the other driver is injured. Correct answer, B. If there is property damage of $750 or more, or if there are any injuries. When driving in fog, you should use your A. High beams, B. Low beams, C. Fog lights only. Correct answer, B. Low beams. When you're merging onto the freeway, you should be driving A. At or near the same speed as the traffic on the freeway. B. 5 to 10 miles per hour slower than the traffic on the freeway. C. The posted speed limit for freeway traffic. Correct answer, A. At or near the same speed as the traffic on the freeway. You must notify the DMV within 10 days if you A. Are cited for a traffic violation. B. Sell or transfer your vehicle. C. Paint your vehicle a different color. Correct answer, B. Sell or transfer your vehicle. If you are convicted by the court of a first DUI offense, your driving privileges will be suspended for at least A. 1 month, B. 6 months, C. 1 year. Correct answer, B. 6 months. You must yield the right of way to an emergency vehicle by A. Pulling as far to the right side of the road as possible and stopping. B. Speeding up to clear the lane. C. Moving into the right lane and driving slowly until it has passed. Correct answer, A. Pulling as far to the right side of the road as possible and stopping. When driving at night on a dimly lit street, you should A. Drive slowly enough so you can stop within the area illuminated by your headlights. B. Turn on your high beams to better see the vehicles ahead of you. C. Keep the instrument panel lights bright to be more visible to other drivers. Correct answer, A. Drive slowly enough so you can stop within the area illuminated by your headlights. When parking next to a curb, you should use your turn signals. A. Only when pulling away from the curb. B. When pulling next to but not away from the curb. C. When pulling next to or away from the curb. Correct answer, C. When pulling next to or away from the curb. A flashing red traffic light at an intersection means A. Slow down before entering. B. Stop before entering. C. Stop and wait until it turns green. Correct answer, B. Stop before entering. A large truck is ahead of you and is turning right onto a street with 2 lanes in each direction. The truck, A. May complete its turn in either of the 2 lanes. B. May have to swing wide to complete the right turn. C. Must stay in the right lane at all times. Correct answer, B. May have to swing wide to complete the right turn. You should signal continuously while turning because it A. Is illegal to turn off your signal before completing a turn. B. Lets other drivers know what your intentions are. C. Is required by law within city limits only. Correct answer, B. Lets other drivers know what your intentions are. You should increase the distance between your vehicle and the vehicle ahead when you A. Are following a small passenger vehicle. B. Are being tailgated by another driver. C. Are driving more slowly than the posted speed limit. Correct answer, B. Are being tailgated by another driver. You are approaching a railroad crossing with no warning devices and are unable to see 400 feet down the tracks in one direction. The speed limit is A. 20 miles per hour, B. 25 miles per hour, C. 15 miles per hour. Correct answer, C. 15 miles per hour. The following statements about blind spots is true. A. Blind spots are eliminated if you have one outside mirror on each side of the vehicle. B. Large trucks have bigger blind spots than most passenger vehicles. C. Blind spots can be checked by looking in your rearview mirrors. Correct answer, B. Large trucks have bigger blind spots than most passenger vehicles. You are driving on a 5-lane freeway in the lane closest to the center divider. To exit the freeway on the right, you should A. Carefully cross all lanes at one time. B. Change lanes one at a time until you are in the proper lane. C. Slow before beginning each lane change. Correct answer, B. Change lanes one at a time until you are in the proper lane. At intersections, crosswalks, and railroad crossings, you should always A. Stop, listen, and proceed cautiously. B. Look to the sides of your vehicle to see what is coming. C. Slowly pass vehicles that seem to be stopped for no reason. Correct. Answer, B. Look to the sides of your vehicle to see what is coming. You are approaching a railroad crossing with no warning devices and are unable to see 400 feet down the tracks in one direction. The speed limit is A. 15 miles per hour, B. 20 miles per hour, C. 25 miles per hour. Correct answer, A. 15 miles per hour. If your cell phone rings while you are driving and you do not have a hands-free device, you should A. Answer the call because it may be an emergency. B. Let the call go to voicemail. C. Check the incoming number before answering the call. Correct answer, B. Let the call go to voicemail. If you are driving on a freeway and the vehicle in front of you is a large truck, you should drive A. Closer behind the truck than for a passenger vehicle. B. Further behind the truck than for a passenger vehicle. C. To the right side of the truck and wait to pass. Correct answer, B. Farther behind the truck than for a passenger vehicle. You may cross double yellow lines to pass another vehicle if the A. Yellow line next to your side of the road is broken. B. Yellow line next to the other side of the road is broken. C. Lines are solid on both sides. Correct answer, A. Yellow line next to your side of the road is broken. You must carefully watch for bicycles in traffic lanes because they A. Must ride facing oncoming traffic. B. Could be hidden in your blind spots. C. Usually have the right of way. Correct answer, B. Could be hidden in your blind spots. You want to make a right turn at an upcoming intersection. You should slow down and A. Move toward the left side of your lane. B. Avoid driving in the bicycle lane. C. Signal for 100 feet before turning. Correct answer, C. Signal for 100 feet before turning. Which of these statements is true about road construction zones? A. Fines are the same as for other traffic violations. B. Slow down only if you think workers are present. C. You must slow for the cone zone. Correct answer, C. You must slow for the cone zone. If you have trouble seeing other vehicles because of dust or smoke blowing across the roadway, you should drive slower and turn on your A. Parking lights, B. Headlights, C. Emergency flashers. Correct answer, B. Headlights. The speed limit in any alley is A. 15 miles per hour, B. 20 miles per hour, C. 25 miles per hour. Correct answer, A. 15 miles per hour. When can you drive using only your parking lights? A. 30 minutes after sunset or 30 minutes before sunrise. B. On foggy days when visibility is low. C. Under no circumstances. Correct answer, C. Under no circumstances. If you are towing another vehicle or trailer on a freeway with 4 lanes in your direction, you may travel in A. Any of the traffic lanes in your direction, B. Either of the 2 right lanes, C. The far left lane. Correct answer, B. Either of the 2 right lanes. You should usually drive your vehicle slower when A. Passing large trucks on the freeway, B. You see brake lights coming on several vehicles ahead of you, C. You want to look at a controlled accident scene. Correct answer, B. You see brake lights coming on several vehicles ahead of you.